YouTube, what is up? It is the anonymous Sneakerhead, the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game. Back with another video for you guys today, man. So you guys can see that this is another episode of Sneaker Talk, and we're going to be covering a bunch of things, including the two big releases today. But before we get into that, a couple announcements. Number one, shout out to all of you that have joined the channel, man. We've hit 641 subscribers. Let's hit 650 before August 1st, man. I know we could do it. So if you are new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you get notifications when I am about to post my new videos. Also, since you're here, go ahead and hit that like button. It's free. Really helps with videos, helps with algorithms, helps get videos get shown to new people, and then potentially bring new people to the channel to join the anonymous Sneakerhead family. And then, last but not least, follow my Instagram at anonymous Sneakerhead. You get a lot of information up there first. And speaking of information that's up there first, if you follow the Instagram, you would have seen me post about these already. Some nice tie-dye socks that I got made from the homie. Her Instagram, she has an Instagram for selling tie-dye socks, so I actually got these, and I got a yellow pair as well, which, like I said, you would have seen me post about them on my Instagram already, but I did get these from Bianca's Socks, so I'm actually really excited that I was able to purchase a pair of socks from her, because this is someone that I know personally, you know what I mean, someone that I have a real-life relationship with, that I do know. So here's the card that came with the socks. You guys can see it right there. Bianca's Socks. Her IG is at the bottom. I'll tag it down below in the description. But I'm always really happy when I have friends who run businesses or sell things and I'm able to go support them. So anytime there's someone that I know, you know what I'm saying, and they're selling a product, I always try to make sure that I could somehow support them in any way. And I'm really, really happy to get a couple pairs of socks from her. So just really quick, obviously I got these made for the alternate grapes right behind me, and as you saw on my Instagram, they actually go really well with the Have a Nike Day Air Force Ones, or yeah, not Air Force Ones, Air Max ones. And then I got this yellow pair made because I just have a bunch of yellow shoes, you know what I'm saying. I got these really made in mind for the Supreme Air Force 2s, because I actually do wear those a lot behind me, but they do go with a lot of other shoes. I might try them with the Animal Instincts with the yellow laces because of the tab on the back. I know I was thinking about putting green laces in there, but I might have to throw the yellow laces in there just to see what it looks like with the Animal Instinct 2.0s. But one more time, shout out to Bianca's Socks. Thank you so much. You know what I'm saying? Really happy that I could support you by picking up a pair of your socks. Now, let's get into the video. So today is July 24th. By the time you were seeing this video, the shoes have already released, and the two shoes that I'm talking about are the Jordan 12 University Gold and Blacks, or the Gary Payton PEs, and the Grateful Dead Yellow Bear Dunks. Now, as far as the University Gold and Black Gary Payton PE 12s, you guys who have been around already know that I am not getting those, wasn't planning on getting those, and the reason being is because of these right here. You would have, those of you that seen the video before know what I'm talking about, but this shoe right here is the reason why I'm not getting those. This is going to be my yellow and black go-to sneaker for a while, and you know what I'm saying, everybody's going to have those Gary Payton 12s. You're going to see everybody and their mama posting about them today, tomorrow, the next week, posting all their different pictures with them. Whole family sizes are going to wear them. You're going to go to the mall, see 10 dudes wearing them. You're not going to see anybody wearing these because people sleep on Reebok, they sleep on the Shaqnosis. They need to put some respect on the name, and I like to be different with the shoes that I wear, so that's why it's not even that I caught an L, I just didn't even go for them because I'm excited with those. Hopefully, one thing is though, like, you know what I'm saying, hopefully someone I know does get a pair in hand so I can do a review for you guys, an in-hand review. But as far as a personal pair, I didn't get them because there's different things that I'm saving money for already, even though 12s are my favorite silhouette of the Jordan. But like I said, I have those, so I don't need to get the yellow and black 12s. Now, Grateful Dead Dunks, really quick, you know what I'm saying, we knew it was going to happen there. $110 retail, entered the draw, was not selected. I actually haven't seen anybody on my IG that was selected so far. I actually don't know how many people went for them, but at least the people that I follow, nobody hit from what I've seen, except for like there's one like bot account that I follow, and obviously all of their cook group people follow. I gotta hit up my homegirl and one of my homies that I know two people that run cook groups, so I'm gonna hit them up and see how many pairs they were able to get, if any. And then last but not least, the thing is that's gonna really shake up the world is tomorrow we are getting the Air Jordan 4 Off-White sale. This is a woman's size run, which just anytime you get a woman's run on a shoe, a lot of people just get butt hurt. Even women decide to get butt hurt when they announce a woman's shoe and it's extended size. It's like, oh, it's extended sizes. The men are going to get it. Ooh, the men are going to get all these extended sizes. They made these for the women with big feet. So you're saying that they made the size 13.5 women's for a woman with big feet, like that woman in her entire life just never bought a men's sneaker. It was like, nope, it's a men's sneaker. I'm not going to buy it. I'm going to wait until they make a women's shoe that fits me. That's not the case. That you sound dumb. Same for them saying, oh, I don't know why guys with little feet are buying X, Y, and Z shoes. It's the same reason why women buy children's shoes or grade size shoes. The actual branding of the size you guys are falling into the trap means absolutely nothing. They only do this so that they can consistently price every shoe. If you look at every shoe that Virgil made, it's either been a full men's size run or a full women's size run in extended sizes. The reason being is so that way they're priced exactly the same. When you get a shoe by Nike, if it's a Jordan, it's $190 in men's, and women's it's $170, etc., on the way down. Recently, we got the Jordan 3 Animal Instinct, and people were confused about that because it appeared to be an extended sizes men's run, and that's because of the materials used on there and the quality used on there. Nike wanted to be able to charge $250 for each pair. If Nike made men's Animal Instinct 3s and then did a women's Animal Instinct 3s, the men's would have been $250, the women's might have been like $230. You know what I'm saying? The grade school probably would have been like $200. No, they want to keep the $250 all the way through. So all you complaining about the extended sizes and it has nothing to do. Nike doesn't care who buys these shoes. They're not targeted to the women. It's just the way that they're gonna price it. I guarantee you, now everyone's talking about men lay off of these, you know what I'm saying? Let the women get these. You know what I'm saying? The botters are gonna take them from all the women. Like there's no such thing as female botters. I know a female botter. They act like there's no such thing as female botters, but anyways. No, let the women get these. You guys got your own 4 coming out. I guarantee you the same women talking about those, especially those of you women that wear size 9.5 women, size 10 women, size 10.5 women that can fit men's shoes. Maybe even like a size, what would it be? A size 8 women, 8.5 women. Maybe you get something that's a little too big for you. I guarantee you, y'all women are still going to go after those. The same women talking about, let us get these 4s, are still going to go after the bread ones that are supposed to be for men. But remember I said this here first. We don't know what the price on the men's 4s are going to be, right? They're Jordan 4s. Now, they're going to be marketed as men's 4s. Remember I said this. Since it's a men's size shoe, they're going to retail for probably $220 would be my guess. Wouldn't be surprised if it was $225. Doubt it'll be $250. The unions are going to be $250, but my guess is they're going to retail anywhere from $220 to $225, and the only reason being is because it has the men's label on it. Now, for the 4 that's coming out tomorrow, I could get a women's size 13.5 or a men's size 12, and then I could get a men's size 12. The bread ones, they're the exact same shoe, exact same materials, different colors, but one has the women's label on it, so it's $200, and one's going to have the men's label on it, so it's going to be $220 or $225. You guys, I don't understand why you get so butthurt when different people get different shoes. You want everything to be equal. You say that you're for equality, you say you're for all of this, you say you want this shoe to be made for everyone, that shoe to be made for everyone, and then get upset when everyone buys a certain shoe. And a lot of the people complaining about this, particularly the women, when you watch them, behind them they have a whole bunch of men's releases talking about men shouldn't wear women's shoes while they're women wearing men's shoes. But that's all I'm going to say about that, man. That's it for this video. Bunch of different topics I wanted to cover. One more topic I wanted to cover, though, is that I'm a little upset about the 12s that came out today. Not because I wanted the 12s, but just because the whole Foot Locker website is locked up. I'm actually going to see if I can get into Foot Locker right now, but the whole website has been locked up, and I was trying to get those what's it called, those in the New Balance 327s. Was trying to get those, but just couldn't get on the website to get them, so I'm annoyed about that. But it is what it is. We do have the Air Max 1, the orange Air Max 1s coming out on the 30th, which I am super excited about. You guys know I love orange. I'm a Cincinnati Bengal fan, so definitely want to get those. Was thinking about going back and getting the Air Max 90s in the orange colorway, but if I can get my hands on these Air Max 1s, then I might hold off on the Air Max 90s. Probably will end up getting them anyway because Cincinnati Bengal fans want to have as many flavors of orange as I possibly can, but hopefully I'll be able to get these ones coming out on the 30th, these Air Max ones. I just call them ones. Everyone's going to assume Jordan. But That's it for this video, you guys. I am the Anonymous Sneakerhead. Hope you enjoyed this episode of Sneaker Talk. If you're new to the channel, I do a bunch of sneaker talks, as you can see by the title. I'm not even sure what number this is as I'm filming it. I think it's like 17 or something. I might be just terribly wrong about that, but if you guys like this type of video, just a bunch of different sneaker information, how I'm thinking about sneakers thrown at you, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. Join the channel, join the Anonymous Sneakerhead family. Let's hit 650 before August, man. I know we can do it. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Then also, since you made it this far in the video, go ahead and hit that like button, man. It really helps the video get shown to new people, helps us bring more new people to the channel, more new people to the videos, and potentially gain more family members. And last but not least, follow my Instagram at Anonymous Sneakerhead. You get a bunch of information up there first, a bunch of different posts, different polls on the story, all of that. But that is it for this one, you guys. I am the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game, and as always, it's all about the sneakers.